That's my name. Relax and unwind. It's a game. Elevate your mood, feel the flames. It's meet me at the Kava bar. Let's play my game. From the office to the Kava bar, leaving troubles behind like a distant star. Circle of sisters coming near or far, share laughter, stories to share. Kava's magic, a healing art, relaxing body, soothing heart. Stronger together right from the start. Kava Queens united, never apart. Kava Queen, that's my name. Relax and unwind, it's a game. Elevate your mood, feel the flames. Let's meet me at the Kava bar. Let's claim our lane. From the office to the Kava bar, leaving troubles behind like a distant star. Circle of sisters coming near or far, share laughter, stories to share. Kava bar, 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 bar. Kava bar, 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 bar. In this fast-paced world, we find our peace. Kava's embrace, a sweet release. Empowered women, powerful and free. Celebrating life with joyful ease. Island rhythm in our souls. Kava stories that unfold. Connected spirits making us whole. Kava Queens forever, that's our goal. Kava Queen, that's my name. Relax and unwind, it's a game. Elevate your mood, feel the flames. Let's meet me at the Kava bar. Let's claim our own. From the office to the Kava bar, leaving troubles behind like a distant star. Circle of sisters coming near or far, share laughter, stories to share. Kava bar, we are Kava Queens, strong and bold. Our spirits connected, stories untold. From Samoa to Tonga, Fiji and more, sisterhood united forevermore. Let's raise our cups to friendship and grace. Kava magic shining on every face. Kava Queen, that's my name. Relax and unwind, it's a game. Elevate your mood, feel the flames. Let's meet me at the Kava bar. Let's claim our lane. From the office to the Kava bar, leaving troubles behind like a distant star. Circle of sisters coming near or far, share laughter, stories to share. Kava, that's my name. Relax and unwind, distant star. Elevate your mood, feel the flames. Let's meet me at the Kava bar. Let's claim our lane. Kava bar, let's claim our Kava Queen. That's my name. Relax and unwind, distant star. Circle of sisters, stories untold.